Alright, this is a video on how to change the water level in an AP213 for your cups of coffee. So we're going to go into the machine, we're going to go find our mode switch. We need to go to mode 12, and that is where we adjust the channels. So we can use our mode switch, or if we have our security key, we can go right up to 11. We're looking for mode 12. I push that one time. That should have us in the front of the machine showing mode 12. So our inner button is start large. I push that. Now it's asking for a channel. We change our channels by going to your first selection here, going to strong. We're going to take this up to channel 8. Channel 8 is for this first selection. Once we have found channel 8, we push large, which is enter. I'm going to show you inside the machine how we knew that that's the channel we wanted. There should be a chart in your machine, hopefully, that shows channel numbers down the left, what that function does. We're doing number 8, which is channel 8 is brew water for selection number 1. Selection number 1 is the button in the front, and brew water is how much water goes into it. So that's how we're going to be able to adjust the level in our cup. And you can go to different channels to adjust how much coffee goes in, all kinds of different things. So we've selected channel 8. We hit start. This start button, it takes us to start. We hit it again. It takes us during. That's the duration. That's how long water goes into the cup. How many seconds? 5.2 seconds. We're going to adjust this one up to 5.8 seconds. We do that by going over here to strong, and we look at whatever number is flashing. Now here, this is a hundredths of a second. We want it to be on tenths of a second. So we actually push the regular button. That switches us to tenths of a second. If we push the regular button again, it switches us to seconds, so we can adjust those. If we push the regular button again, twice more actually, it takes us back to hundredths of a second. We want to adjust our tenths of a seconds though. We're going to go to 5.8, so I'm going to hit one more time that regular button. Now I'm going to hit the strong button to cycle that flashing number. Now we're at 5.8 seconds. I'm going to hit start large over here. That's my inner button. It says I'm back in mode 12. Now I can take the machine to the test fin mode to see how it's filling up my cup of coffee. All right, so here we are. We're in mode 12. We're going to hit this mode switch, take us forward, and get to mode 2, which is our test fin mode. We then hit our start large button, and that's all you have to do. It's ready to test fin. The first cup of coffee someone buys will be a test fin cup. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to buy a mild regular coffee. It says it's free because we're on test fin. Down it drops. It's brewing our coffee. I've got this up so we can watch. And I think that's just about a perfect fill for a cup of coffee. So that was the right adjustment. We'll have happy customers.